Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video I'm going to teach you some more functions in dictionary. So basically what we're going to learn in this video, we're going to learn how to copy a dictionary into another variable. So we have already learned in the list and tuple section how to copy a list into tuple and so on and so forth. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to copy a dictionary into another variable, dictionary variable. So it is pretty simple. So I'm going to make a new variable called call new. So in this new variable I'm going to copy this entire dictionary. So I'm going to make a copy of this dictionary in this variable. So it's pretty simple, just use the copy keyword. So now if I'm playing calls new, is going to copy the entire data which is presented here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just remove the new pop. Okay, I'm going to remove the name from the copied dictionary. Okay, I'm going to print. Now you can see the name is missing. So if I print the call, which is the main dictionary which we copied from, so in the main dictionary the name is exit. Only in the second dictionary the name is missing because we delete the names in this line. So now you can understand how to copy a dictionary perfectly. Okay, you can use the alternative ways. There's another alternative ways for copying. So this is one of the way. The next one is using dict method. Okay, I'm going to show you that also. I'm going to say dict and the name of the dictionary you have to put. So it does the same work perfectly, and you can see it copied these calls into a new variable. Then we delete the name, then we are printing it, so the name is missing. That means it works perfectly. So you can use this method also for copying a dictionary. So the next things I'm going to teach you is how to have nested dictionary, which means we can have dictionary into dictionary. This sounds weird, so I'm going to explain it how. For example, you're going to create a database for your employees. So I'm going to say employees. Okay, I'm going to say employees and say employee 1 is going to have our own dictionary. So he has a name, he has his name is going to be GL. He has a certain age, he has 22, and he has a, so we have to put comma over here and so on. That's enough. Okay, and you're gonna have another employee number 2 is gonna be a dictionary, and here I'm gonna store name. His name is gonna be David, and his age is gonna be 32. Okay, I'm gonna say job also. It's gonna be a tester. Here this GL is going to be a developer. Okay, here's the entire dictionary. So this dictionary I'm going to run it to make everything perfect, but I made a simple mistakes. What the mistakes I made? So I believe it's going to be, we have to put a comma here. Now it will work perfectly. Now line 3 you have to use this one. Yeah, I forgot to tell you have to use this quotation mark. Now it works perfectly. Okay, you have to use quotation marks for the main container also. This is a key. So basically this is called a nested dictionary. It is a nested dictionary. So the key is going to be employee. Okay, this key contains another dictionary inside this. That dictionary has a key and values. So basically it's going to be a key, is going to be a value, it's going to be a key, is going to be a value. This value is going to be a dictionary. So this is how we can create a dictionary. So if you want to access them, you can type employees. I want to say employee 1. So I want to print out all of the information in employee 1. So I'm gonna say employee 1. So if I execute the program, it is going to return all of the information which is stored into this employee 1. So if you want to execute employee 2, it is going to execute all of the information of employee 2. Okay, and this is the way of doing things right. For example, if you want to return the name of employee 1, and you can put another square bracket and you can get it. So if you want to get the name of the employee 2, and you can see that only the name will be written. So you can do all of the things we did in the single dictionary, such as removing things, copying things, and delete things, and add things, and so on and so forth. For example, I'm gonna add another value to employee 1. So it is pretty simple. I'm going to add a new value to employee 1. The value is gonna be, so you could do, probably you could do anything you want. So I'm gonna say what I can say. So I'm gonna say new, okay, scroll new wall. So if I type employee 1, so I'm removing this code, and the new, it should be return its value. Okay, it's going to return its new. So I have lots of code here, and you have to remember everything in order to be perfect in this program. So this is how we can use a nested dictionary. So this is basically a nested dictionary which contains dictionaries in it. So this is the main dictionary. This dictionary contains 2 dictionaries in it. Each dictionary contains information about employees. Okay, so this is how we can create nested dictionary in Python. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I'm very tired because it's late night, 12 is gonna be 1, so I'm gonna sleep, and good night. So I will see you in the next video.